Today we'll be showing you how to utilize unique coupon codes. We have provided two different methods for you, bulk and auto-fetched. We'll start with bulk. Click on your coupon codes layer and then go to Coupon Options. Click on Unique Coupon Codes. To use this option, you will need to have one-time use codes already generated from your cart platform. You can copy and paste up to 10,000 codes per batch here, or upload a CSV file with your codes here. CSV files can contain significantly more codes than copy and pasting. An alert can be sent to you when you are running low on coupon codes. Just put the number of remaining codes you would like to be alerted about here. The second option is auto-fetched coupons. With this option, unique codes will be created in your cart platform. Click Fetch Coupon Code, then select your platform. Create and copy a one-time use coupon from your cart platform and paste it here. Enter the prefix you'd like to see before the alphanumeric string of characters that will be created for each individual coupon. Then pick your failsafe. Now publish your promotion. Here you'll see the prefix that you chose and the unique string that follows. In your cart platform, you can see what codes have been created and used.